Now this is a real old girl, this one. Here I am at the Tambo yard here. None of them trucks down there really interest me because they're all, you know, later models. But this girl here, the sound of her is awesome. This is a real old Tambo waste truck, this one. And here's a grab here. And it's everything you can see there. She got a really nice note to it, this truck. She's a real old girl now. I'm gonna go have a look up here at the it's a paddle. Tell she does garbage down there. Smells like garbage, but yeah. Right.